AutoCAD Civil 3D Complete Course Lecture number 2-1, How to import CSV file in AutoCAD Civil 3D. In last lecture, lecture number 2, already we discussed how to create CSV file and how to create our format according to our import file. And now we will go on the AutoCAD Civil 3D screen and we will import the same file what we created in last lecture. We came back on AutoCAD Civil 3D screen, and here drag down and point creation tool. So click here on point creation tool. This is the last option. This is the actually import point option. Click here, and then this new dialog box, and this is the add file. What file I want to add? We have to click here. This will go on our path. So this is my file. Double click or open any option. See here green tick mark. It means my format is correct and it has already imported. If there is a red cross, means this is not imported or something missing or something wrong with my file. So this here will be red option cross like this. So this you can delete and or remove and then again correct your file and again re-add your file. But here the setting of my file is not correct. See, easting figure is something else and northing also not correct, and point elevation there is no any point serial number and elevation and some code. So I have to select, see, this is on easting northing Z only. So my file, when initially I create my file, then I had something point number, easting northing and elevation and code. So this is my format actually. So when I click here, my format will be correct. See, point number, easting, northing and a Z, and this is the code. So this is the actually my correct figure. So now it is ready for import. But if you want before import you want to create a group, later on in group series we will create a detailed discussion on that one. But initially if you want to same this group, then you can click here. So click here, then this will be active. See, if you are not clicking here, this is not active. So this click will active this option, and then you click here, write your any group name, and this will be okay. Then our create a group, these all points will go directly in the group. So first of all we are checking here point. See, this is my group automatically created, and here if Z enter and E enter, then automatically see my all points what I created in Excel, all those points are imported. We will set here the scale, so the points, elevation and numbers will be visible properly. And if next from next lecture we are going to detail discussion one by one this point series. This is the one option, import for points from outsource folder or outsource file. But from next there are so many point series. So detailed discussion onward will be continue on next lecture.